Maybe you're one of the lucky ones who kept their job this year, and although you know that society says you should be grateful, something inside feels wrong. Maybe you're thinking, for once in my life I want to make it happen. Maybe the time for change has been ringing in your ears. But just for a moment, think about this. Rather than just work that job you kept, what if you put it to work instead? Used it to learn online skills, new knowledge, and build a business that matters while you hold on to that security you see in the job. You know, very few people start an online business because they want an online business. They simply learn to build one because it's a tool which enables them to make things happen. And maybe if you're still watching, your time for change is here. It's no secret anymore that so many people around the world are making a living online and changing the way they live. But some people still don't realize that this is something that's available to us all, no matter who you are or where you come from. Imagine for a moment being able to learn to build your future while you continue to work at the job you have, changing and taking the time to build a company, one that matters to you, that could be run from a computer from pretty much anywhere in the world. How might things change? And if you want to see how this is possible, click on the link on or below this video. Then watch a series of presentations which are absolutely free, a short video series which might just change your entire understanding of what you can do. How to start from scratch and learn the knowledge and gain the experience, all whilst in the relative security of your current job or business, and starting without even an idea of which online business to create, and then build a company that allows you to do the things you want to do. You know, a whole new outlook on life. It's what I was talking about at the start. No one has to work this job that society has demanded everyone to work, at least not forever. Because I think sometimes we're almost brainwashed by society that that's the only way to do it. You know, it's never too late to make it happen. And I'm now in a position in my journey where I can and want to spread the message that anyone can do this. Anyone who really wants to make things happen. And so I got together with the training company I use to give you access to the video series that will show you just what is all possible. It's easy. All you need to do is enter your email address on my website and I'll send them straight away. And if off the back of that, great. And if it's not for everyone, then no harm done. It's free anyway. And really, once you've watched and once you can see this whole new world that's available to us all, for anyone who decides to take that step and make that transition, it's the mindset shift. It's that realization that you can make things happen. And once someone takes that first step and consistently takes action, you can change your reality relatively quickly. And it's amazing how quickly it can be achieved. And for me, that was the real step. Getting the awareness to realize that it's actually possible. And so I'd say to anyone who wants to keep the security of your current job or business, but put it to work so that you can make things happen, the time for change is here. Just request the video series now and see for yourself.